While dropping my son off to Yarmouth, after I had dropped him off and started back home to Halifax, I had an owl hit my windshield, and that's what happened to it. So today we're going to find out how much is it going to cost me to replace a windshield on a BMW X3. This is a 2021 model, and did quite a significant amount of damage. So it's going to be interesting to find out exactly how much that's going to cost, and in this video I will quickly tell you exactly how much it costs. It's going in right now. And she's getting fixed. So no window is in. Total cost to have it fixed was $13.50 here at Speedy Auto Glass. Of course, insurance covered a little bit of it, but my deductible's pretty high, so it was $1,000 to me. But did get done. Took about 2.5 hours in total. But window looks good. So can't complain. They needed to recalibrate it as well, which gets a little bit costly. I had to drive it on the road to get the lane departuring system and all that fancy stuff done on it. But all in all, not too bad. It's plus taxes here in Canada, so not very cheap